Welcome to Murray Engineering's electrical division. Today we're going to talk about our range of electrical panels and boards, which are all engineered and manufactured on site here in Pinjarra and at our Newcastle branch in New South Wales. All our panels and boards are compliant to AS NZS 61439, and we keep a fully stocked inventory to make sure that all these products are ready to be dispatched to site quickly when your order is placed. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about our underground starter panels. These are specifically designed for underground mining operations, and we collaborate closely with mine operations teams to optimise the design and functionality of our panels based on real-world requirements. We manufacture a range of jumbo, pump, and fan starter panels which are available in fixed, mobile configurations, and all units have powder-coated frames to ensure durability in tough underground conditions. Next, we have our water and wastewater panels and boards. Designed for pumping and filtration and RO works, these custom designed panels come with 314 and 316 grade stainless steel enclosures for longevity in demanding environments. We also offer fully integrated automation, control and remote control options, which makes our panels versatile for any application. The range includes LV, MV and HV equipment from 415 to 12 kV, lighting and power distribution switchboards, motor control centres, motor and pump starters such as DOL, variable speed, star delta and auto transformers. For the civil and construction industry, we offer electrical switchgear, substations and control equipment for site construction and tunnelling, temporary and permanent power supplies, as well as off-grid remote area power supplies. Our range includes LV, MV and HV equipment from 415 to 12 kV, substations, switch rooms and control rooms, lighting and power distribution switchboards, and motor control centres. We also offer fully integrated automation, control and remote control options. Last but not least, our underground distribution boards. These boards distribute energy to starter panels further down the underground mines. These units are engineered and manufactured in-house using high-quality components and materials designed to last in tough underground mining conditions. Our underground distribution boards can be manufactured in many different configurations, dependent on the unique site requirements. Each unit is individually tested and quality checked before dispatch, so you can be sure that our units will work perfectly once they arrive on site. So now you've seen all the types of electrical panels and boards offered by Murray Engineering. Remember, our panels are certified to AS NZS 61439, which is extremely important to meet key safety regulations. You can check out our other video to learn more about this standard. Discover the rest of our electrical range on our website or call us to discuss how we can tailor our electrical solutions to meet your exact requirements.